Hi there, in this video I will show you how to easily share your Instagram story to your Facebook story. So begin by launching the Instagram app on your mobile device, and once inside, tap on your profile picture or use the swipe right feature to access the camera for crafting your story. Now capture a photo or video and infuse it with your creative touch. You can add text, stickers, or whatever enhance the narrative. Now once your story is ready, look for the arrow icon at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on it will signal the publishing of your creation. Now following that, a menu of sharing choices will appear. Now tap on the Your Story sharing options, then Instagram may prompt you to share the story on Facebook. Now you can now confirm your preference by selecting either the share once or share every time option. Now after making your choice, tap the share button again to initiate the posting process. And that's it. Your story is now successfully shared on both Instagram and Facebook, reaching more people on both platforms. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.